back at school.
Hello, children. Welcome to another day of school. It's a glorious day indeed. It's a glorious day indeed. Looks like we have a new student, class. Would you like to introduce yourself to the rest of the class?
Yes. Hi, my name. Hi, I am the electric vampire.
Hello, electric vampire.
Hi, I'm the fire vampire. Hi, I'm the water one. I'm the rock and stone one.
Glorious, glorious, glorious. Today,
Ow!
we're going to be learning about the life of a vampire.
Okay.
Are you prepared?
Huh?
And to learn about the vampire way, we're going to have a battle royal. The winner has no homework tonight. Begin! Why did you just break that table? Go to the principal's office. We'll do this 4-way soon enough.
Why did you break the school table? Because
Because what?
I can't control my power.
Can't control your powers?
Yes.
That's why you're at the school. Now, I don't want to have to call your mother and tell them that you've been breaking tables. So you get back to
I
class.
don't have a
and you-
mother.
Oh, what happened to her?
My mom was going out to see the world, and then the people put fire on her, and it was also daytime.
They murdered her?
Yes.
A travesty indeed. Well, I'm sorry, son. We're gonna take good care of you here. Okay. Now we're back to where we were. Battle Royale. All 4 of you, 4-way. Whoever wins, no homework. Losers. Wash my dishes, take out my trash, clean my house. Go! How did you just beat them so easily? Water vampire. Tell me.
My dad taught me. It's a very good wave that can push people away.
Interesting. Now, do you think you could defeat me?
Yes.
No! You cannot. Don't ever try it again. Good job.
Can you call an ambulance? Can you call an ambulance?
No!
No, I'm talking about. No, please.
Action, move your hands. All right, everyone. You knew the rules. Get the cleaning. I'll see you later.
Fine. Get in there. Okay, fine.
Move your hands.
Bro, why? Why'd you do that? I'm new here. Why isn't this done? I don't want to shave his feet, man. Bruh.